Good day guys and welcome. If you're making YouTube videos and want clean, professional backgrounds without setting up a studio or green screen, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to make AI backgrounds for YouTube videos using OpenArt AI step by step. And before we start, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so open it now and follow me with my steps. Let's get into it. And now, as an introduction, in general, why use AI backgrounds for YouTube videos? So AI-generated backgrounds are perfect if you film in a small or messy room, want a consistent visual style, create faceless or talking head videos, need fast backgrounds for thumbnails, intros, or full videos. And with OpenArt AI, you can generate custom, high-quality backgrounds that fit your channel's style. And in order to begin, of course, the most common method to create a background is going to be from text. So for this, you just navigate to the image generation right over here, or you can just start from home, choose image, and then create an image. Let us just start from this. Okay, and this is going to be our interface. Okay, and in here, as you can see, we have this interface. So on the left, we have our, as you can see, different tabs for creation or editing. So if you want to mess around with these, you can. And then the most important panel is going to be this one. So here we'll be able to choose our most important settings. Let's go through them one by one. So the first one, and number one, is of course using the model type and character type. So in my case, as you can see, I have the C-Dream 4.5. You just press on switch, and as you can see, we have different AI models that you can choose, and also some examples of what your output images could look like. So just choose one depending on your style. If you're going for more, say, anime style, you just choose for something like this. SDXL. If you want to go for more realistic stuff, you choose this one, for example, Flux. You can go for colors. As you can see, this one is also cartoonish. So just depending on what you wish to create, choose a corresponding model. I'll just choose this realistic vision, for example. As you can see, it's photorealistic. And now, as you can see, it's successfully changed. And the second one, just below the model, is going to be our prompt box, where you will have to describe your YouTube background clearly. So this is pretty much your assistant and buddy that you can just talk to and explain to it what you wish to create, explain the details, what style you want to go for, etc., etc. So just talk to him just like he's your buddy, like some kind of artist or something, and he creates a new project for you. So, for example, as an example prompt, you can go for something like, for example, modern YouTube studio background, soft lighting, blur depth, and clean desk. Also, for example, gaming YouTube background, neon lights, darkroom, RGB, glow. Or something like tech review YouTube background, minimal studio, cinematic lighting. So these are just examples. Of course, you go for what you want. Make sure to include the details of exactly what you want to see in the background. And in order to give you some tips, you can mention YouTube background or studio background, describe lighting and mood, keep it clean and uncluttered. And then when you type in your prompt, we will click on create, but let me firstly type in my prompt. All right, here you go. This is my simple prompt. Also, you can turn on auto enhance if you want, as you can see. And now, what else do we have on our disposal? You can also use image to image, so you can use the image as a reference on top of which you create your background, style reference, and yeah, pretty much a lot of references that you can use to customize your pretty much creation of background, and you will have a result exactly how you want it. So if you have other images that you wish to add and use them as reference, please go ahead and choose the proper category in here and upload them, and they'll be used to create your background. If not, and you wish to start from scratch, you can do that, of course. I will do it now. Now we just choose output size. I will just use the cinema one. Fits YouTube perfectly fine. You can leave alone the width and height if you wish. I will just leave them alone. But if you want to, of course, customize them, you can do that as well. If you wish to mess around with the advanced settings, you can do that, of course, as well. These are more detailed. And yeah, now we are ready to create. Now you just choose the number of images you wish to create. I will choose 5, for example, and as you can see, 5 credits will be charged from our balance from OpenArt AI. And now just press on generate. It shows us that approximately it's going to take 8.2 seconds to create one image. Well, let us check that. Press on create. So let's wait. Now, as you can see, our images are being generated. Give this a little time. Alright, as you can see, bingo, already created. That's super fast. Alright, and as you can see now, this is my images. So I can take a look at them. So as you can see, the first one, we have a big monitor or some kind of TV standing in here. Then we have a desk. Then the second one, it kind of messes up the text, but that's fine. We can actually easily change that with a prompt. We have this one, this one's pretty cool. And this one, I would say this one is probably the best. This one is also not bad at all. And now, guys, if you wish to use it for your YouTube videos, you can just download as a lossless image. And now you download it. And as you can see, now here you have your image. Of course, make it bigger. I made it quite a bit too small, but make sure to do it in Full HD or maybe even 4K format so that the quality is even bigger. And that's pretty much how you create backgrounds for your YouTube videos, guys. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And check the link that we have for you for OpenArt AI in the video description. See you soon, guys.